Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Stanhope Bayshore is a small coastal community on the north shore of Prince Edward Island, about 20 kilometers northeast of Charlottetown. It is known for its sandy beaches, rolling dunes, forests, and scenic shoreline along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The area offers a quieter pace of life than the province's larger communities, making it a popular destination for both residents and visitors looking to enjoy the natural beauty of the island. The year-round population is estimated to be only a few hundred people, although that number increases significantly during the summer months as seasonal residents and tourists arrive. Many cottages, vacation homes, and campgrounds fill with families enjoying the warm weather, creating a busy summer season that contrasts with the quieter winters. The coastline around Stanhope Bayshore has played an important role for generations. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq people traveled throughout Prince Edward Island, using its rivers, forests, and coastal waters for transportation, fishing, hunting, and gathering. Their connection to the land continues today and remains an important part of the island's history and culture. European settlement expanded during the late 1700s and early 1800s. Farming and fishing became the foundations of many communities along the North Shore. Families cleared land, built homes, and established small farms while taking advantage of the rich fishing grounds nearby. Over time, improved roads and transportation connected these communities more closely with Charlottetown and the rest of the island. One of the area's greatest attractions is its location beside Prince Edward Island National Park. Established in 1937, the park protects kilometers of beaches, sand dunes, wetlands, and coastal forests. The protected landscape provides habitat for many species of birds, mammals, and plants, while helping preserve one of Canada's most recognizable coastal environments. The beaches around Stanhope Bayshore are famous for their soft white sand and gentle slopes into the water. During the summer, visitors enjoy swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding, cycling, hiking, birdwatching, and simply relaxing by the ocean. The surrounding trails and natural areas provide opportunities to observe foxes, shorebirds, waterfowl, and many native plant species throughout the seasons. Nearby Stanhope Golf and Country Club has welcomed golfers for decades and is considered one of Prince Edward Island's best-known golf courses. The combination of mature trees, ocean views, and well-maintained fairways attracts golfers from across Canada and beyond, contributing to the local tourism economy throughout the warmer months. Housing in Stanhope Bayshore reflects its popularity as both a residential and vacation destination. Detached homes and seasonal cottages make up most of the housing stock. Average home prices generally range between $500,000 and $700,000 Canadian dollars, although waterfront homes and newer properties often sell for considerably more. Prices can vary depending on location, lot size, and proximity to the beach. Today, Stanhope Bayshore is known for its beautiful coastline and strong connection to nature. Its beaches and protected landscapes continue to make it one of the most desirable places on Prince Edward Island to live, visit, or simply enjoy the peaceful scenery that has defined this stretch of coast for generations. Thanks for watching!